Much of the chatter that goes on within our minds talks us out of creating what we truly want. The reason for this is that, as children, we learn to push our wants out of our minds to please others. And this creates fears and doubts that we can actually have what we truly desire. But on a spiritual journey, a journey of learning to create intentionally, which I'm assuming you're on, if you're here, we begin to adopt a new set of rules, and in doing so, we often create more time to learn how the universe works and to sit with ourselves in an attempt to create new mental constructs that lead us into the manifestation of the experiences that we prefer. As you probably already know, your thoughts have tremendous power. The source energy within us inspires us to act, but the conditioned voices in our head tells us to doubt that inspiration. And if you've ever just sat with your thoughts, just observed them, you might have noticed what these thoughts say to you. Thoughts you didn't come into this world with, but picked up along the way on your physical journey.